Pezzy, how am I supposed to talk shit about fucking Strikepack users if you aren't getting like all these crazy clips with it?
Oh, you're right. You're right. Let me turn the aim assist on real quick.
Maybe hook up a Cronus or something, buddy. I don't know.
Yeah. You gotta hook up
Turn on rapid fire.
Turn on. It's on. That's the only reason why this pistol is like viable. As we all know, it's that time of year again where big game releases are coming out. But which one comes out that's super big? It's November? Call of Duty? What are we talking about? The Strikepack? That's right, baby. We're testing out the Strikepack Horizon on Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Bitch.
I put it right here in the circular file cabinet.
That's a trash can, you nitwit.
Since we pulled this piece of trash out of the trash, let's talk about the Strikepack Horizon. For those who aren't familiar with the Strikepack, it allows you to use mods like Rapid Fire, Aim Assist, Jump Crouch, YY, Jesus Christ, did he hit the fucking Diddy, bro? And a bunch of other goodies. It also includes 4 paddles that are completely mappable to any button. Now that the new Call of Duty Black Ops 6 is out, my goal is to try to break the game as much as possible and see what the Strikepack can and can't do. But before we dive in, I want to mention that Call of Duty did update their anti-cheat, Ricochet, which doesn't work 90% of the time. But you didn't hear that from me. I'm just some random guy on the internet, which is supposed to stop wall hackers and aimbot users on PC, which it doesn't, and they also brought it to console. But for what I've seen, it doesn't do much. And of course, most of the mods I'm using are pretty undetectable, aka rapid fire, pulls on your trigger. Yes, you could look at how fast it pulls the trigger, but then you could go into the Strikepack and set so it's varying floss, like it can spam it for like 2 seconds and then drop it down in 1 second, and you could change up the pattern so it makes it look more real, because that's how Rainbow protects people using mouse and keyboard, is it sees how the input goes from 0 to 100. But of course, this is just my experience, so take it with a grain of salt. With that being said, let's jump into some multiplayer with the boys, of course.
Oh my god, I got that guy with the nades though. Let's go.
Why are there so many of them?
That was a little
Pezzy, we need to find you another gun that you can break with rapid fire besides a pistol.
No, you just gotta find
Yeah, for real.
a
Better Strikepack.
Better Strikepack, yeah. Fucking
Or just a better player.
No, it's 8:30.
cock guzzling motherfucker.
It's guzzle. Goes with that cum, boys.
That's what you is. You got about a dirty nasty how.
Dude, that whoever shot that guy up on the bridge, my aim assist like kicked in right when he like went flying back.
Alright, boys. So now it just looks mad sus automatically.
I got dude.
You got dudes.
Oh, you died in the vents, dog? There's... Why would you go into the vents with the bomb?
3, 2, 1, go!
Stun air dead. But it will happen.
Oh.
Watch out.
What did I die to?
A grenade.
Dude, they planted.
There's a glitch from the sniper.
Go!
What? Why did they go without my dog? I'm just grenade that guy.
Speaking prone is crazy.
But it's not like automatic. How do you make it automatic?
He's using a Strikepack.
Yeah, I'm using a modded device.
Oh, I didn't
Yeah.
know that's what it did.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing this whole time. Yeah.
It's not automatic. How do you do that? Well, it's like cheap.
That's definitely a clip that's gonna go in the video.
That's right.
We mainly played Search and Destroy with some Hardpoint and Domination on the side. The whole time, I was using a motherfucking pistol, bro. Pistol! Dude, this thing is insane! Absolutely destroying these kids, especially once I unlocked the rapid fire attachment for it. I'm referring to the 9mm pistol, the starting pistol. It is phenomenal. And on the way, by the way, patch November 1st, when I'm recording this video, they did not patch it or buff it or anything like that, or what is it called, nerfing it. However, here's my take when I started recording this video. So you can kind of hear how salty and angry I was with how bad I was performing. And again, this is just a player problem, not a you problem. It's a me problem. I'm sorry, it's just a me problem.
I'm fumbling the bag. I'm gonna tell you what.
I'm fumbling the bag.
I'm fumbling the bag, sir. I got every advantage in the world. I got a pistol. I got rapid fire. I got a strike pack, and I'm here fumbling the bag. Jesus Christ, I might as well be Sniper Wolf.
Sounds to me like you're just making excuses over there.
Are you gonna leak the location?
But after poking fun at the best Call of Duty player ever, herself, Sniper Wolf, things started looking up. AKA, I started getting kills, bro. Like what, bro? Like what? Once I got all the fine tuning done, I was absolutely dominating, dropping around 80 kills with a pistol in Hardpoint and Domination. And while we moved on to Search and Destroy, since most of my friends like playing Search, because they're like me, they love dying and being an absolute loser. I kept kicking ass, bro. Like, you won't understand. I felt like the rapid fire mod works especially well with single fire weapons, like the pistols. Of course, a rapid fire mod, why would it not work with single fire weapons? Dude, my mind's blowing, aka my comet speed right now. I did try out some marksman rifles, but I wasn't impressed with the performance. So I mainly stuck with pistols. AKA the marksman rifles have a set fire rate on them, so you can't really break the weapon like the FAL from Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Oh, Call of Duty Black Ops 2, you could break that gun with ease, brother, with ease. I should make a video about that. If you're trying to use the Strikepack's rapid fire mod on regular rifles and SMGs, it mostly just reduces recoil. This can be useful, but so far in Black Ops 6, it wasn't working as well as it did in the previous games, like Modern Warfare 3, Modern Warfare 2, Call of Duty Cold War. I don't think I ever tried the Strikepack on Cold War. If you plan on using marksman rifles, like I said earlier, there's a hard cap. I would recommend unlocking rapid fire, then using the Strikepack's rapid fire mod with the rapid fire on the gun as well. Moving on to aim assist mod from the Strikepack. For those who don't know, the Strikepack aim assist basically jitters your joystick left and right and up and down to keep your aim assist active. However, I often find it to be annoying or useless. Sometimes it even locked onto players who just died, which is pretty funny, but also quite frustrating. I tried using it for about 15 matches of Search and Destroy with the homies, and 10 matches of Hardpoint, also with the homies, and Domination. Can't forget the Domination with the homies. But I was unsatisfied, just like most of the time what women tell me. Also, brothers, I want to mention that if you use Deadshot perk in zombies and create a macro constantly ADSing, like spamming it keeps Deadshot active. Deadshot will basically lock onto heads, giving you aimbot on console while playing Black Ops 6 zombies. Now, I don't know if this works in other games, but the fact that I got it broken in zombies, and hopefully, insert here, I'll have some gameplay of it, and this thing is brutal. Overall, the Strikepack is useful in some areas. The included mods can be effective, but are a bit janky. To get the full experience, I would have to wait for the developers to make a personal profile for this game and wait for it to be released for this game, so we can fine-tune recoil control for each weapon. And as of yet though, there's no profile that has been released for Call of Duty Black Ops 6. But again, the game has only been out for about a week. As I was making this video, it's November 1st. Oh, it's November 2nd, actually. Nuketown came out yesterday, boys. Nuketown. As for the rapid fire mod, I definitely enjoyed running around with a pistol and using this thing. My highest killed count in Domination was 121 kills with a motherfucking pistol, bro. Like, you gotta be mad, bro. Who's playing with me? Bunch of PlayStation kids? Get out of here. Anyway, there's a strike pack for the PlayStation and it works the same, so check it out. I'll put a link below. And in Search and Destroy, I hit 24 kills with the pistol. So I was pretty happy with... Oh, I hit my mic. Dude, I'm a YouTuber. I got a pop filter. That works? I don't know. We'll find out. So I was pretty happy with the results. I had a lot of fun. As for the aim assist mod, I think it's kind of a joke. Get it? Because I'm a joke myself. And I don't recommend using it unless you really hate yourself. As I hate myself. But at least I know there's a fine line of where you hate yourself and you can tolerate yourself. I'm like on that edge. You know, I'm edging. If you're planning on using the strike pack for the paddles though, I'll say go for it. The paddles are great and they work very well. Plus you can buy replacements for them from the company if they break. Highly recommend the strike pack if you're planning on using paddles. Because you could pay, you could pay like, I don't know, I guess you could buy the Xbox controller and then like a year down the road, you're like, yeah, I want to get paddles. But you don't want to shell out $120 or buy the PowerA version of this Elite Series. By the way, it's pretty bad. I mean, the new one's pretty good. The new PowerA version, Fusion Free is pretty good. The 2 is not. I wouldn't recommend that. But again, this might be cheaper overall just buying an Xbox controller and putting a strike pack on it. So it really just comes up to how much money you have in your wallet. And in fact, I'm pretty poor myself. I have 2 of these Elite Series and both of them have the bumpers broken because I'm a doofus. And when I stand up, I forget that my headphones are wired. And so my controller smacks the ground. Don't be me. Our last thing to be aware of course, is getting banned. I know people are constantly being banned, but I haven't seen anyone get banned for using a strike pack yet, so just be aware. So in my opinion, if you're interested in using paddles for Black Ops 6, I highly recommend getting the strike pack. If you want to have some simple fun with a few mods to mess around with, it's worth checking out the Strike Pack Horizon for Black Ops 6. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like, subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me I'm a loser. I appreciate it. Also, I hit 5K, boys. I've been on YouTube for 7 years, making random videos, editing for a couple other friends that make Minecraft channels. So I was editing.